Sunod kay Papa. Pasakayin mo kaya dyan?
Papa. Papa.
Bye-bye! Mama, hi! Hi, hi! Say hi! Hi! Hi muna, hi muna! Hi!
Kaliwa po
Hi.
kayo. Kaliwa po kayo.
Nasaan yung 19?
1980s.
Right side po. Seat numbers po nasa taas po.
Hi muna, hi! Hi! First time ni Mama airplane. First time ni Mama mag-airplane? Ha? Say hi muna, hi! Hi muna, hi! Sit down na, sit down.
Dear guests,
Look.
kindly be seated
Sit
according to
down.
the seat numbers shown on your boarding passes.
Sit down na, sit
We
down.
discourage unauthorized changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in overhead compartments and
Lagay
small
ka daw ng
items
ganito,
under the
ha?
seat in front of you.
Nasaan
Thank
na
you.
yan?
Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, mangyari po lamang na umupo alinsunod sa seat number na makikita sa inyong boarding pass. Mahigpit ding ipinagbabawal ang
Papa! Papa!
Mama, tingin ikaw dito. Bye-bye!